Blackheads are little dark skin projections, regularly found on the face, particularly on the nose. What's more, a few times on the back. These dark projections frame an attachment, obstructing the sebaceous organs of the skin. They are caused due to excessive production of sebum, an oily substance, from the sebaceous gland, that slowly gets hardened when they mix with dead skin and bacteria. The sebum gets exposed to oxygen from the air and gets oxidized and turns black. When they are below the pore opening, they appear as white or yellow bumps, and they don't get oxidized and are called whiteheads. Here are the fundamental drivers that lead to blackheads: stress, hormonal changes, legacy, unclean skin, makeup, smoking, liquor, and caffeine. Follow these straightforward, characteristic approaches to clean the pores. Fruit has natural antiseptic properties that dry up blackheads. Take a small tomato peeled and mashed. Then apply it over the blackheads before going to bed. Leave overnight and then wash face with clean water in the morning. Lemon scrub. Lemon is another nature's product that is viable in treating blackheads. Press a couple of drops of lemon juice in a bowl, include salt. What's more, stir the mixture well. Wash look with warm water and apply the blend on the blackheads. Leave for somewhere in the range of 20 minutes and wash face again with warm water. Toothpaste rub. Apply a thin layer of toothpaste over the blackheads. Leave for 25 minutes and wash face gently with warm water. Repeat this remedy for 2 weeks to be free from blackheads. Wash it off. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and water to make a paste. Apply tenderly to the influenced part. Allow to dry for couple of minutes and afterward wash it off with warm water to expel away the oil and soil that reason pimples. Oatmeal pack. A mixture of oatmeal and yogurt is good for the skin and helps banish blackheads. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 3 tablespoons of yogurt. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and olive oil to it. Mix all these ingredients well till it forms a paste. Apply the mixture on the face. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes and wash face with cold water. Egg Washington raw eggs are an effective home remedy to get rid of blackheads. Beat 1 to 2 egg whites, mixed with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this mixture over the area of blackheads, leave for 30 minutes and wash off with warm water.